Lovely fans, there is a parable that says, you don't know the value of what you have until you lose it. May it never be our portion, because that is the portion of Grandpapa and his wife right now. Grandpapa and his wife, they've gone back to square one. They don't go back to square one. When we thought that they have passed this level, no, they return back to this square one. They return back to this level, begging all over again. They started begging May Edochie that May Edochie Bikono reconsider their son. Hey, reconsider their son. You cannot leave him like this. Hey, according to Grandpapa, Grandpapa say his son Yul Edochie will suffer for old age. He says his old age is going to be brutal. His old age will be full of regrets. That he has already seen it. So he begged May Edochie. Because who are the children when Juju Ekwe is born? Those children does not belong to Yoyoyo. At Yoyoyo old age, now you go know say May Edochie is the only one that gave him his true biological children. Hey, all Guinea Kwano things are happening. So Grandpapa said May Edochie Bikono. He no say Yoyoyo is a betrayer. Papa say May Edochie should reconsider their son. Say because those children which Juju Ekwe they carry, none of them belong to Yoyoyo. Yoyoyo only biological children. Now be the children. Yoyoyo only biological children. Now be the children wey May Edochie born. Make May Edochie Biko. Love sometimes does not hold marriage. Love fade away in marriage. But many women stay because of their children. So, according to Grandpapa, May Edochie should reconsider. Because Zane is a very little boy. He needs the mother and the father. Even Kai, at this age, need the father. May Edochie should consider of taking Yoyoyo back. Say, make May Edochie Biko. Grandpapa and Grandmama, two of them, the same time, now they beg. They beg May Edochie to take their rejected prodigal son. As he be say they no fit handle am. Now they find where they want package you go put. They say May Edochie should take him back to Ajamashon. Make he carry him and go put him for Ajamashon. That this time around, if May Edochie take Yoyoyo and put Yoyoyo for Ajamashon, they say nothing when he go come take Yoyoyo from there. They have learnt their lessons. They said they have learnt their lessons. That nothing will take him back from there. Hey, my people, after you don't frustrate their life, Grandpapa don't remember May Edochie. The only woman when he handle Yoyoyo is called May Edochie. May Edochie not tolerate this rubbish from Yoyoyo. So, my lovely fans, these Grandpapa and Grandmama, they find where they want package their rejected and prodigal son go put. You need to see what Grandpapa is saying. According to him, Grandpapa say when Yoyoyo was with May Edochie, he said the difference was clear. Grandpapa say for 26 years, when Yoyoyo take day with May Edochie, he say no ever carry headache because of Yoyoyo. He say instead, now good news, now in the year every day. Daddy, we finish our house. Daddy, we've packed to our house. Daddy, we bought a car. Daddy, you want to become the governor. Daddy, you want to become the president. Daddy, you is doing well in his work. Daddy, you is traveling to here to do this. May Edochie has opened a business. May Edochie have done this. Daniela have entered university. Good news. Good news. He said there is no one time when they call him, we not say congratulations. He said, but today what is happening? What is happening? 26 years when you today with me, Edoche, his life was full of happiness, success, progress. He said you was a responsible man. You they respect people. He dey go church. He dey go mass. He dey go evening mass. That was how religious he was. He dey wear a rosary 24 hours. He said you they respect people. He was calm. He said people go meet you when they meet and they'll tell and say, Grandpapa, you did a good job on him. He said, but today, what is happening? Where is that yo? Where is that yo that was so responsible? He said, May Edoche, he don't know what you did to his son. Because when his son was with you, his son was the best man everybody want to see. He said, anywhere you call yo, when he was with me, Edoche, people will be rushing there to see him. When he talk, people listen. He said, not be you come and say won't be president. A lot of people supported him. When he wanted to be governor, people supported him. He said, then he has a good future. His brain was calculated. He said, all these good things came when you was with me, Edoche. Nobody has ever complained him. Nobody. His papa said, but now, what is happening? You has become the opposite of what he was in me, Edoche. Ever since he switched, entered Juju Ekwensu Romance Mami Water, he said his son has become something else. He said it's not only affecting his son, it's also affecting him. He said you don't carry him for up control for granted. Everybody is now marching on him. Thanks to you. He said, look at the shame and disgrace when you they give them. He said he's ashamed of himself. He said he's ashamed. He said, me Edoche Bikono. The yo way they see now not like him. Every time they'll call her for movie location. Say, Grandpapa, your son they overdo. You go just they pursue people come up for movie location. I don't like this person. I don't want to act with this person. I don't like this person. But when you was with me, Edoche, anybody who is go they give the encouragement. Don't worry. When I enter now so it tough, you will meet up. Now the director they talk say, no, I don't want this person. I don't like the way he acts. Even you go they plead on their behalf. Say, give them a chance. I understand them. I was once like them. He said, but now you very arrogant. Not only arrogant, very disrespectful. Talks to people and here, insults people. Laying curses on people. Grandpapa said he don't know what is happening. He said, Juju Ekwensu demon. Umoji demon. Say he's working on you. Because it can't be possible that a well-responsible man, honest, respectful, automatically become an arrogant and disrespectful man. Not only to himself, not only to his family, to the society. To the society. Chai. My people, before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all. Amen. My lovely fans. Chai. Hi. No be smart, you know. Grandpapa say, what is happening? What is happening? See the difference when you was with me, Edoche, and now that is with Juju Ekwensu. So disrespectful, insulting people, behaving like a mad dog that is being leashed in the public. Grandpapa say he's fed up. Grandpapa say, me Edoche Bikono. The way you handle this man, the way you put this man, package him, please come and carry him. You are the only one that brought out the good things out of him. Because at this point, it be like say the bad things were there inside this man. Inside you. Now Juju Ekwensu they bring come outside. They are now begging me, Edoche, to come and carry their rejected and prodigal son. Those of you that did not watch my previous video, go and watch it too. What happened to grandpapa? What you did to them? Now that one now I make them now I make them call they beg me Edochie. I don't meet them. I don't meet grandpapa and his wife. His wife khaki nice with you. Papa, grandpapa document of land is with you. Why would they remember me Edochie? I don't meet them now. They don't remember me Edochie. They are now begging me Edochie Biko to take him. Somebody that you people cannot handle. Now me Edochie won't handle her. She handled this man for 26 years. She packaged this man. She gave us a beautiful package. We saw you like Odogu. We never knew that a very local champion, intelligent local champion, when me Edochie package go Lagos, go work on his life. The man never even come out for the tunnel. He said he don't see lights. Just look at him. Even if Papa don't know the difference now. Even the father of you, now himself know the difference. When a man is with a good woman, they know they tell you. You they see him for the man body. You na fit out. Without filter, look at his face. He don't old past the elder brother. He can't they use filter till they cover his old face. His old face. When Juju Ekwensu don't use Bekus water, they wash all the face don't old. When a man is with a responsible woman, you know the difference. Juju Ekwensu is a local champion. Mr. Obasi go carry Juju Ekwensu come from village content. Now Mr. Obasi tear Juju Ekwensu. Imagine local Ogbenke village girl. One claim say na she come be city girl. You know see the way she dey appeal when she dey go Abuja. That is to tell you her grade where she's coming from. She was just an Umoji local girl, Ugbenke. You know what when they say Ugbenke, Judy Austin was Ugbenke, full-time Ugbenke. Now she be. Now Mr. Obasi save her life, carry an containship. What do you expect from such a woman that has been in the village where no open eye? See the difference now with me Edochie Lagos babe. Where be say don't see city life. He put you through. He was the one guiding him. He was the one giving him all the details of how to go about his life. When they say women have a great role to play in the life of a man, unati say na lie. The parable that says behind every successful woman, behind every successful man, there is a woman. Now una they know. You was successful. Papa say good news. Congratulations I the year from me Edochie and you Edochie. But when he reach Juju Ekwensu, now his property they call the thief. Papa, I don't have bring money. Papa, give me money. Papa, give me money. Just look at the difference. You want to compare a woman that went to the university, a PhD in computer science. Me Edochie studied computer science, engineering. You won't compare her with Juju Ekwensu that have PhD in people husband bola. She was not only knocking you when she was in school, she was knocking all the teachers. Somebody that knock lawyer to fight, even knock judge to cancel case so that Mr. Obasi will not see children. What do you expect for such a woman? PhD in yo bola. Juju Ekwensu have PhD in married men bola. Now she gets. Now look at the difference. When yo was with me Edochie, check out his dressing. Don't be me what talking. Una they see he dress, una they see the way you to the present, the way he talk maturely. Now Papa say everything about him is opposite. We all they see him, even if the Papa not tell us, we they see him. We they see the big difference between then and now. Very arrogant, talk anyhow, insult people, claim me Odogu for everywhere. Chai, if Papa they beg me Edochie, make me Edochie come carry their dustbin. Oga una go keep una dustbin, grandpapa. Una go keep una dustbin for inside una house. You see that your prodigal son, Make una live am with Juju Ekwensu. Na there fit am. That place na fit am. Make una let me Edochie be. When this woman was going through a lot, you people never knew that this woman was not only training her child, she was also training the baby husband who na give her. Because we can see that me Edochie really work on you. Maybe this woman go call her and go say, no, don't speak like this. This is how you speak. This is how you talk to people. But if you look Juju Ekwensu, you can see that she's arrogant also. But she's just pretending. Lately, that Juju Ekwensu called they pretend like me Edochie. At the very beginning, Juju Ekwensu was arrogant. Talk anyhow. She did talk anyhow. Wait, because he say me Edochie. No matter what she talk, me Edochie not the answer her. She can't change her voice. We should let peace reign. Imitation. Her real character, she's arrogant. So what do you expect when two mumuriti there is us? Imagine you will be saying still graduate. I don't know. A graduate letting a village local girl like Juju Ekwensu use his brain. Now grandpapa is begging me Edochie. He said when you deal with me Edochie, they get peace. He said this dragon in all day. Nobody talks about them. He said there was peace. He said me Edochie take him back. Say their eyes don't clear. They don't learn lesson. They don't see and say me Edochie did a great work. She did a great work on their son. They don't see and say me Edochie really work on you. Chai, my people. Me Edochie na you na want me come carry una prodigal son. Grandpapa, grandmama, I know say it's not easy for now. Yes, it's not easy for them. What you did to these two people has pushed them out to start begging me Edochie. Now I know the difference and I never start. Because you will continue to show you people pepe. We show una pepe. Now know the reason why me Edochie said you all betrayed her. Very soon you people will know the reason. It don't start now. Now small. Step by step. Wonder shall never end. So they want our Queen me Edochie to take back you. Make it for positioner the way she take positioner before. Make she package her the way it was before. That will never happen. Not in this generation. Not in me Edochie next generation. Do you know me Edochie greatest regret right now? Me Edochie greatest regret is the day she said yes to your son. That is her greatest regret. But the only thing that puts smile on her face is those children. Grandpapa, carry your son at the house. If Juju Ekwensu cannot take care of him, give her to him, mama may take care of her. Or look for another wife for her. After all, you said it's King Solomon. If Juju Ekwensu cannot do the work, let him marry another wife. Maybe they will correct him. One dash shall never end. When he was treating me Edochie bad, you all said it's normal. Why is it not normal now? Now we don't carry your wife car key. Now we don't carry your house property. Now we don't they shook hand for na eye. And now know say when he deal with me Edochie, now they buy bag of rice they come. But now they come they carry mama one. My lovely fans, this life pray for your son. So if you have son, pray for your son. Pray very well. If your son carry wife come as, not just only talk say, let me see the character. Go pray. Tell God, say, God, you never show me vision before. You see this one, show me vision. Because the woman in your son's life says a lot. When me Edochie and you dey together, make una see the difference. Look at how we dey with Juju Ekwensu. Una dey see the difference. After they say women not get wetin they do, you see the role where these two women play for your life. Now the papa they beg. I beg me Edochie is not available. Me Edochie is not available. She don't tell una I'm unavailable. She not una no go see her. Una concentrate on Juju Ekwensu. How una want to do you with Juju Ekwensu? It is una problem. Me Edochie don't wash her hand, wash her leg, wash her head. Come on for now. Come on for your body. One dash shall never end. Chai, grandpapa they regrets. He's regretting every actions they did towards me Edochie. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.